Good morning.
Good morning to South Dakota and to South Dakota.
Good morning. Good morning, Norjo.
East of Nashville, there's a double wide in my pa's field where my daddy raised me and my family. Population 213, well, that was good enough for me. Where a handshake's still the only thing you need. And I was born here.
Got my technician in training here, hooking up the brake release, the emergency brake release. Got my junior trainer here, who's in here making a mouse. You making a mouse? Ah? All right, let's go. Hey, you doing in that truck? You ready to go driving that truck, big truck? You ready to go driving that big truck? Nora. Baby Joe, twit that, Baby Joe. Twit that, Baby Joe. You hunting the horn, Baby Joe. Yeah. Say over and out, Baby Joe. Over and out. Big 10-4. Copy. Say Baby Joe, over and out. Yeah. Say copy. I will say I'm gonna miss this place. This is Wi-Fi. Yeah, me and Snake Man are gonna go play on the train tracks, right?
Well, when I finish this ride.
Okay. You ready to leave, Ella?
No, I'm sitting here for 24 swings.
24 swings. All right, you better start counting.
Sandy line.
Are you ready to leave here? You ready to leave?
No, I'm cutting flowers.
Cutting some flowers with your flower knife?
Yeah.
Back before these calloused hands and all this work, we used to sit up at the flats, acting like we'd live forever, getting high and skipping class. Yeah, I reckon we were heathens, but in her eyes we were saints. Now you're calling all the boys home, 'cause heaven's angels carried her away. So I will follow you to Virgie, although it hurts me so to lay to rest this mountain beauty that the Lord's called home. And I can see her up in glory, I can see her through the pines.
gonna whip her right in here. Nice wide pull through side.
I can see her in the
Easy
corner, singing along all our crazy dreams, and I will follow you to Virgie, although it hurts me so.
Doesn't need to be too much further.
This mountain beauty.
Tell me, you can see the tracks. Tell me closer or further.
I can see her up in glory. I can see her through the pines. I will follow you to Virgie, 'cause that's what us boys are for.
that more room for the
To
slide?
help you out when you get weary and you can't go no more. Can't you see her up there, Cody? I can see her through the pines.
What about the deck?
Say, boys, be good.
And it can always be put up if need be. What's up, guys? So we are finally unpacked. We're 90% unpacked. So I'm gonna go ahead and end our moving video. It's been a fun video though. I started it like 2 days before we were gonna move, when we were packing up. Well, I say we've still got, you know, some organization to do.
We're not unpacked inside.
We're not completely unpacked inside, but we've got a lot of the bulk stuff out, and we can finally start getting back to normal a little bit, like get the kids out of our bed and into their bed. But anyways, yeah, I can't wait to show you guys around Britton. It's a cool little town. We're pretty excited about our campground. The kids are not too excited about it because there's no other kids here, but they'll make friends. I'm certain of it. And but yeah, I can't wait to start doing some videos on the place. Roy Lake State Park. Me and Clark are going to be doing lots of fishing. Is that right, Clark?
Uh-huh.
Are you pretty excited about that? So me and Clark are going to be doing lots of fishing, and we're going to be catching lots of fish and stuff like that. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. I know it's been a long one, so maybe it will be long, maybe it won't. I don't know how I'm gonna break it up, but anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends. Most of all, get out here to Britton. I'm just kidding. Don't come to Britton, please. Do us all a favor. I'm just kidding. I think it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be good. I'm glad to be in South Dakota. And Nora is loving the berry prices. So anyways, like I said, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.
Give me right.